Hello everyone, today I am going to do exercise number 2. Today I am going to do the question number 2 of exercise 2, and this is an equivalent fraction. Last class we have learned about what is an equivalent fraction and how to find equivalent fraction, and you have based on that you have done question number 1, and today I am going to do number 2. So it's similar only. You can see total blocks in this circles. You see how many? Here also 6, here also 6, but they have put differently. In this case they have taken 2 as 1, 2 circle as 1 they have taken. Okay, so how many in total? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2 as 1. But in case of here, no 2 as 1, they have taken 1 as 1 only. Okay, one circle, okay, like that. So in this case, so how many in total? 1. They have taken 2 as 1 unit, one part. So this is one part, this is one part, this is one part. So how many total? 3 parts. And out of these 3 parts, how many is shaded? It is 2. So 2 by 3. In this case, they have not done the parts. So this is one part, this is another 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 part. So 6 parts is there. So out of 6 parts, how many parts are shaded? It is how many circles are shaded? It is 4. It is 4 by 6. So like that you can do, I think, number B. So this is number 2. So number 3 also same is there, and these are equivalent fraction blocks they have given. This is a rectangle and this is a circle, and they have done in equal parts only. You can see this is also, but the parts are different, right? They have this, here it is 8 parts, here it is 4 parts, but as you can see, this is also, this is half, same thing. Okay, so this is the equivalent fraction. So it is how many? It is 2 by 4, right? And this is 4 by 8, right? So 2 by 4 and 4 by 8 is an equivalent fraction. Similarly, I will be doing number C. Let me do number C. So this is 2 by 3. You can see this is half. This much part is equal, but the number of parts they have done in this rectangles is different. Here they have done 2 parts. They have part into 3 parts. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 12 parts. They have done the divide the parts in 12 parts. Here in case here it is 3. So out of these 3 parts, how many is shaded? It is 2. In case here, how many? It's 12. And how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 by 12. So this is equivalent fraction. These 2 are equivalent fraction. So this 2 you can do, I think this B and D is your homework. As homework, I am putting homework. Here this one is homework for you. I think you can do. Number 4, you can see, observe the same type of question only. Now here you see they have done 4, and in here it is also 4 parts, but they have done what? 2 circle they have taken as 1 part. Okay, 2 circle as 1 part. Here 1 circle is means 1 only. Okay, so 4 are there. Out of 4, how many circles are shaded? It is 2. In this case, you see how many shaded? This is 1 part, this is another part. Total is 2, and out of 2, how many? 1 part is shaded. So 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are equivalent fractions. So in case of B number you can do, tell me how much? Total is how many circles? 6. Out of 6, how many? 3. Here they have done what? 6 only is there, 6 circles are there, but they have taken 3 circles as 1. They represent at 1 part, 3 circles. So how many part? 1, 2 part. Total is 2 part. Total is 2 part, and out of this 2 part, how many shaded? It is 1. So I think you can do number C and D. So let me do number D. I am showing for D. So D number is there. They have given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 are there. Total 15. And out of 15, how many are shaded? It is 5. But in this case also 15 is there. But they have done what? In one. So they have 5 circles. They have taken 5 circles as one unit. So it is 1, 2, 3. 3 parts they have done. So 3 parts. Out of 3 parts, how many? How many is shaded? It is 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and out of that, this one is shaded. So this is 5 by 15 and 1 by 3 are equivalent fractions. Okay, I think you can do. So this much for today. In the next class also, this colored one I will do. I will show you how to do the colored parts to show the equivalent fraction. You can use color. I will use pencil. So with this, I like to conclude, and thank you for watching.